Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, David Salazar here, and I have been asked this question time and time again. How exactly do I get compensated if a product was defective or recalled or something like that? So we're going to talk about the most important thing that there is with products defects or recalls or products liability cases, and that is damages. So I want to make sure you understand that there are two separate types of damages basically in every single product's defect case. It doesn't matter what state you're in some way or another, they have these two elements to them, and that is compensatory damages and punitive damages. So today we are going to discuss compensatory damages, and I want to read to you the definition as given by the Texas Trial Lawyers Association, an association that I am actually affiliated with, and it goes like this. Compensatory damages compensate a plaintiff, one who brings a lawsuit for injury or loss. Compensatory damages are subdivided into two types of compensatory damages, okay? And that is economic damages. And economic damages compensate plaintiffs for losses that are easily measured by money, such as lost wages, repairs to a car, the cost of a hospital visit, medical bills, etc. The other type is non-economic damages. These types of damages compensate real injuries and losses that are not easily qualified by a dollar amount. So think about it like this: quality of life damages. They are often as important or more important to the injured party than can be directly converted into dollars. So let me give you an example. Non-economic damages compensate for losses such as blindness, physical disfigurement, loss of reputation, emotional distress, loss of fertility, things of that nature, things that are not easily quantifiable. Those are considered non-economic damages. And this all falls under the umbrella of compensatory damages. So the other type of damage there is punitive damages. We're going to discuss that later on in the next video, but I want to make sure you understand what compensatory damages are. So these rules are right here. This definition is actually applicable only for Texas, but every single state has some kind of derivative of this actual definition. So everything in every single state is somewhat similar to this one. They may vary in some way or another, but for the most part, this is what compensatory damages compensates you for. In some of the states, you actually have added elements to it, which is like the value of life. How much is the actual value of life to someone? These types of things vary from state to state, but for the most part, generally speaking, these are some of the fundamental principles of compensatory damages. My name is David Salazar. I'm an attorney who practices all over the nation. We handle products liability, defective products, recalled cases, you name it, we handle it. If you've been severely injured, please let me know. I'd love to chat with you about it, and we will talk soon. Thank you.